Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the chemistry question paper JEE Mains 2025, Day 4 and Shift 2. Regarding chemistry for both mains, NEET and any other competitive exam of +1, +2 level, please subscribe to my channel. Let's discuss one by one now. The first one. Consider the following oxides V2O4, V2O3 and V2O5. The oxidation state of vanadium in amphoteric oxide is, we know V2O5 is the amphoteric oxide, so the oxidation state is +5. Next one, which has maximum oxidizing power among the following? MnO4 minus, that is permanganate ion, is having the maximum oxidizing power when compared to the other ions like dichromate and VO2 plus. Next, which of the following compounds are yellow in color? Among the given compounds, lead chromate and cadmium sulfide are yellow in color, whereas PBS and CUS are black colored compounds. Zinc sulfide is white in color. So the answer is cadmium sulfide and lead chromate. Next one. The correct order of energy of the following subshell is, we know higher the n plus value, higher is the energy for a particular orbital. Based on this, 1s less than, 2s less than, 3p less than and 3d. Very simple basic question. Next one. Which of the following complex is paramagnetic in nature? We need to write the central metal ions and their oxidation states, then followed by electronic configuration. Thereby you will come to know where there are unpaired electrons. So if we consider the first complex itself, NaCl4 - 2 contains 2 unpaired electrons, hence it is paramagnetic in nature. Next, 30 grams of HNO3 is added to a solution to prepare 75% of solution having the density 1.25 gram per ml. Volume of the solution is. This time in the JEE mains exam, they asked particularly on this formula, that is molarity is equal to 10 into percentage into density divided by m0. So by just substituting the values, you will get the volume of the solution as 32 ml. Integer type question, I think. And the next one, the statement type question. They have given the statements, structures they have given, and they are saying that they are the ring chain structures. In statement 2, they have given a primary amine and secondary amine. They are saying that they are the functional isomers. Of course, both the statements are correct. Next one, for an elementary reaction, A plus B gives C plus D. When the volume becomes 1/3, the rate of the reaction becomes 9 times. Because it is a second order reaction, we know an elementary reaction, the number of reactants that are involved in the reaction, the rate depends on them. So the order will be 2 and 3 square means 9. So the rate of reaction becomes 9 times. Next, consider the following sequence of reactions, and they are asking us to predict the final product of the two reactions. And they have given the ozonolysis. Before that they have given the reduction also, right? So you can check the equation and the products. The propine converts into propene, propene converts to B and C. Next one, match the following complexes they have given, and they have given the hybridizations also. Based on valency bond theory, we can predict by checking their field strengths, the ligand field strengths, and you can see the solution here. Next one, the correct name of 1 and 2 in the process, solid gives vapors, the first process, vapors gives solid, the second process. One is sublimation, we know. The second one is interesting, and it is called a deposition. Next, which of the following biomolecules does not contain C1-C4 glycosidic linkage? The answer is sucrose, because the C1-C2 linkage is present in sucrose, whereas in maltose, lactose and amylopectin, C1-C4 glycosidic linkage is present. Next one, statement type question. The statement 1, in law of octaves, elements were arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. And statement 2, Lothar Meyer plotted the physical properties against atomic weight. So in the especially in the periodic classification chapter, rarely we get the questions from the very beginning topics, all these Lothar Meyer curves and all, and Newland law of octaves and all. So this time they have given. Interesting. So here if we consider the first statement in Newland law of octaves, elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weights. So statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. In the next question, where the bacterial life grows as per the first order kinetics, and they are asking us to predict the graph which is plotted against time with the n by n naught value. Check the answer here. Next, Bohr's model is applicable for single electron species of atomic number Z. Dependency of frequency of rotation, they have asked for nth principal quantum number. So frequency of rotation you will get by dividing the velocity with the circumference of the orbit, that is 2 pi r. So the frequency directly proportional to Z square and inversely proportional to n cube here. Next one, which of the following group 15 elements form p pi bond and the strongest basic hydride? We know the strongest basic hydride is ammonia, and where it forms p pi bond readily. The next one, for a compound, a series of reactions they have given. One of the reagent is HCl, where the addition takes place at the unsaturation, and when it is treated with silver cyanide, you will get isocyanide. So you can check the solution here. The next statement type question that we have seen already, that's why I have repeated the number as 18 and 18. Anyhow, let's move to the question number 18. Consider the following sequence of reactions and choose the correct option regarding C. So different statements they have given, but if we consider that reaction where the cyclohexane converts into benzene converts into toluene converts into benzaldehyde by Itard reaction, and where the benzaldehyde readily gives Tollens test but not the failing test, right? Benzaldehyde, the aromatic aldehydes, does not give positive test with the failing solution. Next one, aromatic primary amines do not give diazonium salts when treated with NaNO2 in acidic medium. Aliphatic primary amines on heating with chloroform and ethanolic KOH forms carbylamine. Secondary tertiary amines also give carbylamine test. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is a Hinsberg reagent, and tertiary amines react with the Hinsberg reagent. Among these statements, they have asked only for the correct statements. Benzene sulfonyl chloride is a Hinsberg reagent. Alkyl amines readily give alcohols with NaNO2 and HCl, whereas aromatic primary amines readily give diazonium salts. So based on that, the B and D are correct statements. Next one, identify the conversions during the acidic hydrolysis. I think the question is incomplete. That's all for today. Thank you.